All right, we're doing a downtown job on this cooling system. Not only the water pump, but the radiator. So we're just about ready to fish that out. And we're replacing it with a brand new one from Nissens. Now, this is a factory fit. It's got the same quality. We know we're gonna do the job once. Now, what goes wrong with radiators? Well, today's radiators typically have plastic tanks. So they can get old, brittle, and crack. A lot of different locations. You might just get a little split. Maybe it's on where the hose goes on. It's been clamped too hard. You get a little split in here. They also can leak right in the seal. So between the tank and the end plates here, there's a sort of a rubber seal in there. But also, these things get a lot of shaking and vibration. Now, these tubes, right? So there's a tube that goes from side to side here, and that's where the coolant flows. Everything in between, these are fins. That's just providing a lot of surface area for the air as it pushes through to wick away that heat. So we're gonna get this guy in. Now we're also gonna address some AC systems. So the system will work, but it'll bleed down. So we know we've got some leaks. We can see some visual, but we'll dive in a little bit deeper, right around the hoses where they get crimped. The hose can break down for the soft flexing. Your ends, right? You always wanna check. You got O-rings. Sometimes on a hard line, you can just replace the seals. So areas to look for on the lines. Now, on the compressor side, you typically have two failures. So either your clutch goes bad, so that could be replaced, not a big issue, or the compressor. Now, the problem is when a compressor goes, it sends a lot of debris everywhere in the system. So that's when it gets really expensive, because you usually have to replace your condenser, your evaporator, dry all that stuff. But what's nice about working with Nissens is they know about the job, what you need, all the parts, the O-rings, whether it's the valves. So if you're doing something like a compressor, they're gonna provide an opportunity to get a kit, everything from your thermal expansion valves, all your seals, right, your Schraders, even your PAG oil. So one-stop shop, when you order the parts, you can get the job done. All right, so let's see if we can get this radiator in. We'll check out the AC system, replace a couple lines, and while we're at it, we might throw on a new compressor because it is a 2013, but we'll see what we got.